Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2007 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, remote trunk release, FWD, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, wheel covers, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Inside you'll find keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, power door locks, power windows.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.